So no doubt you remember the leak of the Mavic 2 by the UK retailer Argos just this past weekend. Well, DJI have just responded. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and just this past weekend, Argos, a major UK retailer, accidentally printed an advert for the Mavic 2 in their catalogue that's printed and available for most of the public to take away. Now, we don't know where the blame lies. The event was obviously scheduled for the 18th of July. It got cancelled, and Argos clearly were just being well prepared by getting this advert ready in their catalogue. Someone somewhere forgot to cancel it, or at least to get that page out of that catalogue before it was released to the general public. DJI kept very quiet about this over the weekend, but a user called Isa Tarrant has written on the DJI Facebook page. Now, there was no accompanying comment from Isa on the post to DJI, but they have responded. They basically said that the pre-printed catalogue was scheduled before they postponed the event, which is fair enough, we know that. They want to obviously deliver high-quality, cutting-edge technology to their customers, and this early look just simply hints at the many exciting features and capabilities. So what they're trying to say, basically, is that there is more to come, and perhaps the reason for the cancellation here is that they're trying to add something more to the current offering that we see in the catalogue for the Zoom and the Pro models. Interestingly, shortly after DJI responded to this comment on their official page, both the original comment and the reply disappeared. Now, some are suggesting that this leak was intentional, perhaps DJI and Argos working together. If that was the case, then DJI would have probably had to pay Argos a lot of money. On the other hand, maybe Argos paid DJI a lot of money, because this has done wonders for their brand. And Argos is unfortunately a retailer in the UK that has been struggling over recent years. They reinvented themselves a few years ago, and that has helped, but they are still seen as one of those older retailers. Their pricing is also not actually that competitive. Regardless, now that the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom are out there in the wild, hopefully that will give DJI a kick and get this event rescheduled. Comment below with your thoughts, let us know what you think about that. Click subscribe to be the first to see our breaking news, and of course give the video a thumbs up and share. Thanks very much for watching.